Hi guys, welcome back to The Adventures. Just got a quick New Year's special or New Year's Eve special for you all. I hope you all have a safe and happy New Year's Eve. Basically for me, I'm not too big on it, but I think of it this way, it's a fresh start. Great way to start afresh, start anew. All the bad stuff's in the past and all the good stuff's waiting for us in the future. Basically just had a very nice dinner with the Pinoy friends, just something simple in a small group, and maybe we're gonna go watch some fireworks in the city. My friend Mark, look at all these, show me your glow rings, man. Yeah, you got a bunch of these glow sticks, so that'll be cool. We'll check them out in the dark. And guys, I've actually got low bat already, so we'll probably keep this one short. Oh, they went back inside. The neighbors had their flares out too, had some sparklers. Oh, they're gone. Just lit her off the barbecue. Alright, well we have flares now. Yay!
Happy
Sparklers.
New Year.
Happy New Year, guys. Alright.
No.
Totally fizzed out. Literally. Oh well. Happy New Year.